At 2ULaundry, we're on a mission to eliminate laundry and dry cleaning from your to-do list. Just like breaking any bad habit, the first step is admitting that you have a laundry problem. Next, you immediately go to 2ULaundry.com and build your custom cleaning profile. This takes less than 3 minutes and allows you to dictate specific detergents you would like, softeners, hang dry for delicates, and the laundry list goes on. Once your account is created, a 2U valet will hand deliver separate bags for dry cleaning, wash and fold, and hang dry. From this point on, you'll be notified every step of the way via text message, starting with a reminder message the night before your first pickup. On your scheduled day, your bags will be picked up from right outside your door, cleaned to your exact preferences, and returned to the next business day, perfectly cleaned and folded.
Head on over to 2ULaundry.com and start taking your time back.